So here's how you can get Instagram notes if your notes on your Instagram account are missing. So first, what you want to do is make sure that your Instagram account is completely updated to the latest version. So you want to go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then you want to basically find Instagram. So you're looking for a button that says update. However, if it only says uninstall and open, that means it's currently fully updated already, and you should have your notes from there. However, if that does not work, then what you want to do is head on over to your profile, and then now you want to click on the three bars on the top right hand side, and then now you want to click on settings and privacy. And basically you want to scroll down until you find what says creator tools and controls. You want to click on that, and then right over here you want to click on switch to professional account. So you're gonna have to switch your account to a professional account for this to work. All right, and so now once your account has been made as a professional account, then you want to go back and check if you have your notes. If it still does not show, then what you want to do is click on the three bars again, go to settings and privacy. You want to scroll down, and then you want to click on help. Once you're in help, you want to click on report a problem, and then you want to click on report problem without shaking. Include and continue, and then basically from here you want to tell Instagram what your problem is. So you see something along the lines of like, hey Instagram, please help me and give me my notes. I updated my account but I still don't have it, so please help TY. Something like that, and simply click on the send button just like that, and then literally within about a day or two, Instagram's gonna get back to you and then give you your notes just like mine.